In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a slide in Axure RP 10. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out with Axure, these steps will guide you through creating a dynamic, interactive slideshow for your projects in just 5 minutes. First, let's get started by launching Axure RP on your machine. Once you have it open, you'll want to decide whether to create a new file or open an existing one that you'd like to add slides to. Selecting the right file is important because it sets the stage for all of your creative work. Now that you have your project file ready, you'll begin by dragging a rectangle widget onto the canvas. This rectangle will serve as the base for your slide. After placing the rectangle, right-click on it and choose Create Dynamic Panel from the options. This action transforms the rectangle into an interactive component, allowing us to create multiple states within it. Next, double-click on your new dynamic panel to open its states. You'll notice it's already set at State 1. This is where the magic of slideshows comes in. To create a sequence of slides, click on Add State and add a new state for each slide you wish to include. Each state within the dynamic panel represents a separate slide in your presentation. With your states in place, it's time to populate each one with content. Enter each state by clicking on it, and add the elements you want to display on each slide. This could be as simple as different colored rectangles, or as complex as images or text. Tailor each state to fit your needs. Once you're satisfied with the content in a state, be sure to click Close to exit state editing mode. After setting up the visual aspects of your slideshow, it's time to shift focus to interactions. Select the dynamic panel and look for the Interactions pane on the right side of the screen. This section allows you to bring your slideshow to life. Click on New Interaction to get started. Finally, add a button widget to your canvas. This will be what users click to navigate through the slides. Once the button is in place, create an on-click interaction for it. This interaction should be configured to set the dynamic panel's state to either Next or Previous. By doing so, you allow users to move forward or backward through your slides interactively. And there you have it, the fundamental process of creating a slide in Axure RP 10. By following these steps, you've built a basic, interactive slideshow that can be expanded and customized to suit a variety of projects. Whether you add more visual elements, adjust transitions, or include additional interactivity, the core framework is now set, offering you a dynamic tool to enrich your design projects.